What's up, YouTube? Alex Fix here. I'm back at Bruce Coulom's shop in Oviedo, Florida, and I wanted to check up on him and see how he's doing, see if he needed a hand with a couple things. And we came over, and he's got a full house, man. He's got a busy spop. So I wouldn't be surprised if I could call him the busiest time machine builder in the U.S. currently. So I'll spin the camera around and let you take a look at this shop here. We got a car here that's ready to get started on. We got ourselves a hoverboard. Got another car here. It's gotten started. We already took the pontoon windows out and started the process of basically putting the steel plate through the back bulkhead, prepping the engine compartment for all the bolts and through bolts and nuts that go into each pontoon for all these parts, because he does through bolt everything basically, and everything gets weather sealed. This car is almost done. It is getting a hood box from the Part 3 movie, so he's working on that. Just got a lot of new inventory in, and he's going to put this stuff away. Some more inventory. This is some older vents that he acquired from somebody that he's going to modify and use. Got a car on the lift here it's done and ready for transport, waiting for the transport vehicle. And then we have another one right behind it here underneath. Also same thing, pontoon window has been removed, back window has been removed, it's completely gone. And I'm gonna get started. The other day, yesterday, it's March 19th today, a car was delivered outside, and I'll show that footage here. And it is a car being built for a client to basically mimic the Baja car from Part 3. So DMC Orlando raised the front end and gave it a rake, so that way we can put the white wall tires on it and make it look like the Part 3 car. Also getting a hood box, and this is a hood box in process right now. It's not done. It's got a lot more work to be done on it, but yeah, he's a busy guy. It is a quiet day today because we're actually heading to Megacon, and I'll be posting that video as well. I might blend it in here in the Megacon video, as we had a load-in day yesterday, and today is going to be the first day, Thursday, March 19th. So why don't you come and see how Megacon's going? All right, I'll see you there. Volkswagen undercarriage chassis to have the Baja style, but the owner that this car is being contracted for didn't want to go through the whole ordeal of removing this car and off this frame and putting it on a Volkswagen frame and all that stuff. So we had Delorean of Orlando jack up the front, give it that great look, and then we're going to take these wheels and tires off and put on the white walls. Soon to come from Coulomb Enterprises.